Got an IGES file up on my screen here in 4.0 in my SAT file here. But what I want to do is show you guys the difference here between file importing XYZ data, that is the label in, and the XYZ in. I've already gone through a module here that has the label XYZ in, that reads a text file in that has a point ID from a CMM set, and how that comes into my SAT file here. But what I'll do is I'll do this same example as if it was just an XYZ in. So when I click on that, what it does is it goes out and it looks for a text file, which I've already got out there. This right here in text format. And then I'll say OK. Notice what it does is it grabs all of the points that it sees in that text file, all the XYZ location, and it puts them right into the place where they belong here in this coordinate system. So if I was to just rotate this dish around now, you'll see I've got all of those points that will lie on the surface because the XYZ coordinates are in the same coordinate system as this dish. But now if I was going to use that to do measurement to, like home in points, or come close to that area with a surface point, what I don't have is, if I go here to review features, I don't have any of those features listed here in my review features. Well, that doesn't make sense. I'd like to use them to measure home in points too. So if I was to go and populate my review features with those points, I would have to go from screen and then click on a point. And Farrell runs out there and finds the vertex, or the point that is associated close to that click, and I'll click on that. And then Farrell will give it a name, n_point001. So it actually sees it as a nominal, and then it will allow you to put that into your review features to measure to. Okay, now it's highlighted red. I'll right mouse click on that. And now notice that it is up here in my review features. But now I'm going to cancel out of that, because you would be doing that for about a day and a half, trying to take all of these points and populate those into your review features by doing the click from screen and giving that point a name. So if you have a chance to have a text file that you want to read into an SAT file, go with the file, import XYZ data, and do the label in for the XYZ. But if you have the option to go right into the text file or pull it into Excel and add a column to it for point ID or a CMM name column or whatever you want to call it, but give each of those points a name before you label the XYZ in.